With this compact device, you can test DC, variable DC, and AC outputs from the small bulbs to 150 watts lights, motors, routers, and many other devices. Everything can be powered easily. Now let's see how I built this portable electronics workstation. First, I built the frame using PVC sheets. I gave the body a clean black and peach color finish. On the back panel, I added a DC connector and power switch. This connector can be used as either a 12 volt input or output. For power, I built a 3S battery pack using three 21700 cells and connected a 20 amps BMS. For safety, I wrapped it with Teflon tape and heat shrink. I also added a balanced charging connector. For AC output, I installed a 150 watt inverter module inside the enclosure. On the front panel, I added all the switches, voltmeter, battery indicator, variable DC connector, AC socket, and the remaining components. For the variable DC output, I used an XL4015 buck converter and connected it to an external multi-turn potentiometer for easy voltage adjustments. After completing all the wiring, I assembled the device. Now let's see how all the features of this device work. On the back side, there is a 12 volt input-output connector, a balanced charging port, ventilation holes, and for extra safety, I also added a 10 amps fuse. The variable DC output is very powerful for low power components such as small bulbs, buzzers, and small DC motors. The direct 12 volt output can run medium power DC motors, 12 volt LED lights, and other 12 volts devices. The AC output can power home appliances, chargers, routers, lights, and small tools up to 150 watts. Which feature of this device did you like the most? And what features would you like me to add next? Let me know in the comments.